Hello grade 4. Today I will show you how to calculate the total additions for items. For example, you are a grocery store owner and you want to know how much you sold for specific fruits in a certain day and how to create a simple chart so you simply know by looking at the graph some statistics which may help you for better decision making. For now, open Excel and start to fill the data as shown in this video. Click blank workbook. Then over here, we need to insert such as logo. You know the logo? It's like a picture to tell people what is this company or store about. So we click insert, online picture for now. If you have your own logo, you can insert it from your computer by going to click pictures. But for this tutorial, I'm going to click here on my picture and I will search for, let's say, fruit logo. Okay, you can uncheck this. Let's say I will choose this one. Click insert. Now I have this logo. I want to make it smaller. By double click on it, you will find at the top here crop, which means take a piece of picture from big picture. I scroll down a little bit so I can see the whole thing. You can squeeze it if you want. Scroll down using the scroll in the mouse, and here we go, we are ready. Now this is the logo. I will put it at the top, then I will insert here fruit name, and here sales, how much I sell from each fruit. I will make this bigger by dragging the top. We told you before that Excel is consisting from columns and rows. The column named by letters and the rows are named by numbers. And the intersection of a column with a row creates a cell. Each cell is named by cell name, which is the name of the column along with the row number. Now, let's put some fake data, not true one. Banana, let's say orange, let's say apple, kiwi, any type of fruit that you want to insert. Now let's say that we sold from banana, let's say 200, here 150 apples, let's say we sold 230, and here 120. This is 3. Okay, now this is, let's say, sales in Saudi Riyal. Yani this is, all of these are the prices of these fruits in Saudi Riyal. Okay, now we want to format or decorate this table by clicking at the table here, and you go to format as a table at the top and choose one of these nice templates. Say this one. My table has headers, which is the fruit name and sales in Saudi Riyal are the headers, so I will check this. Click OK. Now I need to center them. Okay, now we need to know what are the total of these, all of them together, because I am an owner for this fruit store. I want to know the total sale of all these fruits together. You can go to simply this button at the top, which is auto sum, which is automatically added up. Your total will appear after the cells here. So I will select the cell here, which is the total, and click auto sum. Now he gives me the total here, and I will write next to it total. Now all of these are currency, so I want to change them to currency by clicking at the right click. First you need to select, drag by dragging from here to here, then right click, go to format cells. Do you see it? Click on it. Now choose currency. It's not dollar Saudi. We need to choose SAR, which is Saudi Riyal. Click on Saudi Riyal, and then do you need the percent here, the decimal values? If you want, you can remove them, or which is the halalas. You can add, let's say this one, and here we go. This is the total of all the sales for all the fruits for this day. Now if you want, we can make a chart to make it more colorful and to give you more explanation for this. We can select it without the total, then we go to insert, and we have here recommended charts, which is charts. You can select one of these charts, let's say this. You can double click on it and choose different styles and coloring. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening and stay safe.